Welcome to Birla Opus Paints. You are at biggest platform of Gujarat traders.
बेस्ट है सर।
पर नया क्यों?
सर इसमें
आर्किटेक्ट जी, समथिंग स्पेशल फॉर यू। नया बिरला ओपस पेंट्स देने के लिए।
ऐसा क्या है इसमें?
इसमें है एडवांस क्वालिटी, ऊपर से बिरला ओपस अश्योरेंस एक्स्ट्रा। एक साल में पेंट को कुछ भी हुआ तो पेंटिंग वापस करके देंगे।
वापस करके देंगे?
वापस करके देंगे।
वापस करके देंगे?
वापस करके देंगे।
वापस करके देंगे?
वो भी फ्री। आर्किटेक्ट जी,
यस मैम।
समो क्वालिटी पे इतना कॉन्फिडेंस, इसीलिए बिरला ओपस अश्योरेंस। एक साल में पेंट को कुछ भी हुआ तो पेंटिंग वापस करके देंगे। रजिस्टर करो birlaopus.com पर।
We have an imperial retro building, so we wanted a bit of matte and sheen look in the paint. And the only point to choose Birla Opus was the quality. We were already connected with Aditya Birla Group in some or the other way. We were already procuring waterproofing and other essential building infra requirements from Mr. Surinder, who is a dealer of Aditya Birla. He got us connected with Birla Opus Prime, and that is how we got connected. We have an imperial retro building, so we wanted a bit of matte and sheen look in the paint. When we were choosing this year for the paint brands, so we got it done from a lot of competitors and Birla Opus as well. And the only point to choose Birla Opus was the quality and nothing else. Because when we saw the samples being done of Birla Opus, they were just detailed and perfection. The sheen and the quality of the paint was outstanding and looked apart from the competitors. So that made us choose Birla Opus. Perfection in our particular building, because it's a two-shade building. Bottom is a different shade and top color is a different shade. So perfection was particularly needed in this project in terms of the paint quality also and in terms of the paint work also. And we are very happy with the paint work which has come up. Apart from the quality and the sheen of the product, we were also told that the base coat which has been done, the luxury emulsion, so that also reduces the surface temperatures because of its solar index by 10 degrees. And that I'm sure we're gonna see it in the summers and help us to reduce our electricity bills in terms of the air conditioning costs.
Birla Opus Paints presents Indian Colors League.
कोलकाता की गहरी शाम की रोशनी में उभरता जीत वाला पर्पल रंग
और बेंगलुरु के लाल बाग के फूल और नीले आसमान वाला प्लेफुल रंग।
हमारी टीम्स के दंगल से
आज बनेगा दोस्ती का एक नया रंग।
आज के मैच के रंग का नाम है पर्पलिश पंगा।
तो देर किस बात की,
चलो
दुनिया को रंग दो।
ये आ गया आपका नया बिरला ओपस पेंट।
नया इंटीरियर पेंट, नॉट स्मार्ट एट ऑल विकी। वो खरीदो जो सब खरीदते हैं।
शुक्ला जी, नया बिरला ओपस पेंट्स 15% ज्यादा कवरेज देता है।
नहीं, दिमाग मत लगाओ, वो लगाओ जो सब लगाते हैं।
नया बिरला ओपस 10% फ्री पेंट देता है।
देखो,
वो लगाओ जो सब लगा।
इनको जमाने से पीछे चलने दो, आप चुनो नया बिरला ओपस पेंट्स।